Hi everyone, this is the AI Feature Byte YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. If you are searching to create the animated video using the realistic artificial images using text to image, image to image and image to video with AI, this is the best place for you. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate and introduce you the AI that contains all these features in one place. No need to search different AIs for each feature. The videos and animations you see here have all been produced using the artificial intelligence Leonardo. This video showcase demonstrates Leonardo's amazing ability to convert images into video. Leonardo AI is a text-to-image and image-to-image AI generator that allows you to create amazing videos with just a few words or an existing image. Using AI technologies like text-to-image and image-to-video conversion, Leonardo gives you the power of a Hollywood film studio right at your fingertips. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create stunning videos with Leonardo AI. So stay tuned until the end of this tutorial. So, to create animated videos for free, first you need to come to the Google search engine and search for Leonardo AI and just click on it. This website is Leonardo's artificial intelligence platform. To use the artificial intelligence capabilities of Leonardo, we need to create a user account. To do that, click on the Create an Account button. The account creation process is completely free and does not require a credit card. After creating the account, we can log into the Leonardo website with the Launch App button. After logging into Leonardo, we see this page. By creating a regular user account, 150 tokens are credited to us for free. We can use these tokens to create images and videos. Once this credit is used up, it will automatically recharge every 9 hours. At the top of the site, under the Get Started, title Leonardo's features are arranged in several thumbnails. Using image generation, we can turn our ideas into images using descriptive text prompts. Using real-time canvas, all our sketches are transformed into art in real time. With motion, we can animate images and turn them into videos. Real-time generation allows you to create new images in real time based on type. Let's take a look at some of the videos in the motion section. These videos created by Leonardo AI are incredibly inspiring. The videos are in a variety of genres including realistic 2D cartoon, 3D animation and more. Leonardo AI is still in its early stages, but it is getting stronger every day with new updates and features. So you can start using this amazing tool. From the left side menu, in the User Tools section, we can access Leonardo's main features through the links in this section. Initially, I want to create an image using a text prompt or image to image and then convert the image to video. To do that, go to the Image Generation section to create the image. In the upper section, there is a large text box for inserting ideas and descriptions of the prompt. Below the prompt box, there is a drop-down list called Fine-Tuned Model, which contains various models that the artificial intelligence Leonardo uses to generate images, and we can choose any of them as desired. At the side, in the Number of Images section, we can determine the number of images generated at each stage. Slightly below in the Image Dimension section, we can use the default dimensions for generating images. Further down in the Advanced Controls section, we can use the drop-down list of aspect ratio to use the required ratio for generating images such as 16:9 or 3:4 to create vertical, horizontal and square modes. A little further down, completely manually using sliders, we can set the dimensions required for generating images. In the first step, we want to convert our idea into text. Write your idea fully and comprehensively in the text box. This text is called the prompt. Just enter the prompt. I have a prompt. I paste it into the text box. In the drop-down list, select the Fine-Tuned Model option, Leonardo Diffusion XL, or you can use any other as per your requirement. Set the number of images as you like. You can use the Prompt Magic option for better results. For these settings, how many tokens are deducted from your initial free credit of 150 will displayed next to the text box. Now click on the generate button. After a short while, new images are generated. Just click on one of the images to review them. The download button is seen at the bottom of each image. Like this way, you can generate images using text. Using this method, you can create diverse images in different styles. The text to image process is complete. The next step is image to image. Just click on the image guidance. Here, you need to upload the image that you want to recreate. After uploading it, you can follow the same process of text to image. Just enter suggestion in the text box and click on generate button. After a short while, new images are generated. Just click on one of the images to review them. The image to image process is also completed. To view your previously generated images, navigate to generation history. In this section, previously generated images are also visible. By clicking on the images, we can view and review them in large size. By clicking on the three dot icon, more options next to the images. On the right side, we have a drop-down list of commands. We use the generate again command to repeat and rerun the prompt. With the delete all command, images generated from the prompt are deleted. Above each image, there is an icon called copy prompt for copying the text and descriptions of this prompt. There is also an icon called reuse prompts for reusing the same prompt. The next step, we navigate to the personal feed page for the image to video process. In this page, the results of the text to image and image to image process are visible. Just click on one of the images that we want to convert to a video. In the new window containing image details, just click on the image to motion button. A new window for image to motion opens up. Using the drop-down list, select from recent images. You can replace the current image with other ones if you wish. In the motion strength section, we can control the intensity and level of animation. After that, just click on the generate button. This process deducts 25 tokens from our credits. In this section, you can click on the view generation option to be redirected to a page displaying the results of the image to video conversion. To check the generated videos, click on the image generation option in the left hand menu. This will redirect it to a page displaying the results of the image to video conversion. In this page, videos are seen alongside images. When hovering over the videos icons for downloading, the video in MP4 format and a delete button are visible. By clicking on each video, we can review them in a larger size within a video frame. You need to repeat these steps to achieve good results. In this tutorial, I have demonstrated the complete process of text to image and then image to video for you. An important point is that in the personal feed link, the works generated by ourselves are archived, and through this link, we can access all our own works. As you can see, these are the works I have generated so far. Keep in mind that Leonardo's AI's image to video capabilities are still in their early stages, so that results may not always be perfect. Remember, Leonardo AI is just a tool. The real magic comes from your creativity and imagination. So don't get discouraged. Experiment with different prompts and unleash your creativity with the power of AI. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you learned something new, please like this video, leave a comment and share it with your friends. To support the channel financially, you can donate using the super thanks button below each video. Many more AI tutorials are coming soon. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you in the next video.